Women, I think, have for years been oppressed and suppressed about talking about the impact of trauma. Mm-hmm. And for us as providers, that means something. We need to not just think about the trauma itself, but the context of the trauma. Mm-hmm. And the other things that are happening for women inside. Like, I'll use the Harvey Weinstein example. How many years has Harvey Weinstein been abusing women? And women just stay quiet because they're afraid. Mm-hmm. Because those in power will make me suffer if I say something. I will pay if I speak. I will never work again. People will mock me. I will be shamed. I will be held responsible. I will be blamed. And so there's a much larger context to look at trauma and harassment than just the trauma itself.
The other thing that I was thinking about is that some of these barriers, like for women, are intrapersonal. It's about our own socialization and what we think it's okay to ask for and to stand up for. And there is also this interpersonal context that makes it harder for women to have a voice. And so that'll be an interesting discussion at the boot camp, because ACT historically is more about an intrapersonal experience. Like, how do we deal with our own internal barriers? But it's not just our own internal barriers, because if you stood up and started asking for big fees, it would be perceived differently than somebody who might be like a white male, for example. In general, So it's like there are intrapersonal factors, but there are also interpersonal contextual factors.